Hi guys, it's Kiara here, and today we're going to be doing something new for Emma's birthday party, so it's basically a special video for that. And here we have a Lucky Dip surprise, and happy birthday to Emma for tomorrow. So the first thing that we're going to, well basically I'm just going to reach my hand in and see what we can come out. And this is a box, it says super cute surprises in every egg, so let's go. Found one, I just can't get it. Ah, there we go. It says something that I can't read. Oh, there's a cute face on the back. I just spotted that. So we're gonna open this. There we go. I've got it. So let's see what we've got. This is the egg. Oh, but now there's tape on the sides. They've double sealed this in. There we go. It's a mini highlighter. This will be really useful in my pencil case because we always do things with highlighters. So that's cute. I'm just gonna keep it in the egg just to make sure that I don't lose it. Oh wait, no, I won't. I'll put it here. Close the egg. Now time for another egg. Oh, I felt one. I hear one. It's right at the bottom. Ah, got it. Got it. Oh, it's a blue egg. The face is the same, I think. This time I'm not going to waste my time. This time I know that it's hard. And this is the first time I've had one of these. So, there we go. Got it. Open. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I think it's a stamp. There's a picture, so that's probably what it's going to look like. Let me just open it to see. I know why they put plastic on it, so that it wouldn't pop open while it was in the egg. I can probably be using this on some pictures and stuff. I can't get the lid on. There we go. Next egg. And this got one. Ooh, it's a pink egg. I've been waiting for the pink egg. Where'd it go? Ah, here it is. Ah, I dropped it again. There we go. Here it is. It's got the same face, just like all the others. And I think that message on it says Ka-Wazie. I'm not sure. That's what it looks like, at least. I'm trying to make this easy and quick. I don't want it out. My finger. Slippy egg. Naughty egg. And I just put it right through the middle of the face. Time for the reveal of the toy. There we go, I've pulled it. Ooh, what is this? Doesn't that make you feel sick? I haven't looked. Wow. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that was good. Whoa. Shall we leave that spinning there? And while we do that, I'm gonna open the next surprise. Well, let's see if I can find one. I feel one. Ow, my legs. Ooh, purple egg. I got 2 of my favourite colours in a row. Ah. It says on the box there, if you can see, that they're all meant to have different faces. They don't. They all have the same face. Same happy, cute face. Huh? I think I see stickers or tattoos in this one. I think these are stickers. 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 Yep. Stickers. They're cute stickers. Oh, there's a cat with a donut around it. My favourite animals are cats. And there's a donut. There's hashtag, the flag that says fun. And then there's I love you there. A shell. A cactus, yay, hashtag, peace, donut, and pow, and then let's party. That will be perfect for on Friday, because that's when Emma's party is. And I'll put that down there. That's all I'm going to open today, and look out for part 2, guys. Bye! I hope you're looking forward to your birthday, Emma. This is how big your present is. It's quite a weird shape, and I'm sorry about the wrapping if it's a bit dodgy. I was struggling a bit. See you Friday.